Hey everyone! Welcome to Click to Cash, the channel where I help you turn clicks into cash and start making money online. If you've ever wanted to earn money from the internet but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing practical, proven, and easy-to-follow methods to help you generate income online whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience. On this channel, I'll teach you how to make money with YouTube, how to make money with TikTok, how to make money with Facebook, how to make money with a website, the best side hustles you can start today, how to make money with freelancing and remote jobs, the secrets of passive income and affiliate marketing, how to grow a successful online business, and many other money-making strategies that actually work. If you're tired of wasting time on methods that don't work and want real, practical ways to make money online, this channel is for you. I'll be uploading new videos every week, packed with valuable tips, step-by-step guides, and strategies that you can start using right away to grow your online income. So, if you're serious about making money online and want to achieve financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest goal when it comes to making money online? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Click to Cash. Let's start your online earning journey together.